BNB Chain has seen a dramatic 567% increase in real-world asset holders this year, according to a recent CryptoRank dataset shared on May 14. That's the fastest growth among major blockchains and marks a significant shift in the RWA space. The network added 50,915 new holders, bringing the total to 59,888. This surge puts BNB Chain ahead of Base and Solana, which saw growth rates of 84.5% and 73%, respectively. While Solana added more holders in absolute numbers, over 90,000, the percentage growth pales in comparison to BNB Chain's explosive rise. Meanwhile, RWA-focused blockchains like Plume and HyperEVM actually lost holders during the same period. The broader RWA holder base across tracked chains increased from 576,000 to 775,000 in 2026, but BNB Chain's growth is outpacing the rest. This is more than just a number. It reflects a growing interest in tokenized real-world assets like real estate, commodities, and more. As RWA adoption gains momentum, BNB Chain is positioning itself as a leader in this emerging segment of the crypto market. The mechanism behind this growth is unclear from the evidence, but the result is clear. BNB Chain is attracting a large and growing number of RWA participants. The question now is whether this momentum will continue or if other chains will catch up. The next signal to watch is weather. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. BNB Chain can maintain this growth rate, and whether other RWA projects will shift focus toward it. Another key development is the rise in stablecoin liquidity on BNB Chain. According to Artemis, the network stablecoin supply hit $16.12 billion, a 73% increase from a year ago. That's a significant jump, moving from about $9 billion to $16 billion in a single year. DeFi Llama logged a slightly lower figure of $13.87 billion, but the trend remains consistent. BNB Chain is becoming a major hub for stablecoin activity. USDT makes up about 66% of the chain's stablecoin supply, suggesting that dollar-pegged assets are a core part of the ecosystem's growth. This liquidity expansion supports the RWA movement by providing a stable, liquid base for tokenized assets. It also means that BNB Chain is competing more directly with Ethereum in the stablecoin space, which has traditionally been Ethereum's stronghold. The BNB token itself has also seen recent movement. On Thursday, it traded near $682, up about 1.6% for the day. The RSI is close to overbought territory, and the directional movement index is positive, suggesting that the token may be testing key resistance levels. Whether this is a short-term rally or a longer-term trend remains to be seen. Investors are watching closely to see if BNB can break through these levels and maintain upward momentum. The next signal will be whether BNB can sustain its recent gains and whether the broader RWA holder base continues to grow. If the trend holds, it could signal a broader shift in how real-world assets are tokenized and traded on blockchain networks. The uncertainty lies in whether this growth is sustainable or if it's a temporary spike. If BNB Chain can maintain this pace, it could become a dominant force in the RWA space. But if the growth slows or shifts to other chains, the market will need to reassess the long-term potential of BNB Chain in this area. The next few weeks will be crucial. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. In determining whether this is a passing trend or a new chapter in blockchain-based RWA adoption, what's at stake is not just the dominance of a single blockchain, but the infrastructure and ecosystem that will underpin the next wave of financial innovation. If BNB Chain can continue to attract RWA holders and expand its stablecoin liquidity, it could become the backbone of a new financial system, one where tokenized assets are traded seamlessly across global markets. But if it falters, other blockchains may step in to fill the gap. The stakes are high, and the next few months will be pivotal in shaping the future of RWA adoption on blockchain networks.